Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're bringing you an absolute beast, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline, but not as you know it. This isn't just a pickup truck, it's a high-performance off-road monster built for adventure and domination. Honda has always played it safe with the Ridgeline, but we decided to push the limits. Check out this custom front end, redesigned with a more aggressive grille, reinforced bumper, and a powerful LED light bar for those nighttime off-road expeditions. Take a look at that stance. This Ridgeline sits higher thanks to a fully upgraded suspension system, complete with Fox off-road shocks and a 3-inch lift kit. And those wheels, 35-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around custom blacked-out forged rims, built for any terrain, anytime. Functionality meets style with this modified truck bed. We've added a modular storage system, built-in toolboxes, and a slide-out camping setup. Whether you're hauling gear or setting up base camp in the wild, this Ridgeline has you covered. Now, let's talk power. The stock Ridgeline's V6 is no slouch, but we've taken it up a notch. With an upgraded turbocharger and a performance EQ tune, this beast is pushing over 400 horsepower. That means more speed, more torque, and more thrills on and off the road. The inside isn't just about ruggedness, it's about comfort and tech. Custom leather seats, a reworked digital dash, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system ensure that even in the roughest conditions, you're riding in style. This isn't just a truck, it's an experience. A machine built for those who crave adventure. What do you think about this modified 2025 Honda Ridgeline? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Auto Show Cars for more insane builds. See you in the next one.